Hey, hope you're going well. In this video I'm going to show you how to use a form control to assign a macro. In a previous video I showed you how to basically create a shape and then assign a macro to it, but that was in some ways, because of how you have to design the shape and fill the shape, takes a little bit longer than a form control. So I'll show you how the form control works. So up here in the Developer tab, if we go to Insert and Button, we can then just create this like that, and all of our macros will come up. So if we want to use this one, highlight the maximum value in a range, let's go OK. That will be assigned to the button, and we can just call it max value. And yeah, it's easy to assign, and it'll save you going into your macros up here and having to run it every time, which will be useful if you have 20 or 30 or more macros stored in Excel. So let's just test this to make sure it works. Alright, there you go. So it's just a bit of a trick that'll save you some time. Hope it's been useful, and thanks for watching the video.